boys and girls. I'm going to read Turbo Turtle to the Rescue to you. Now I need you to pay very close attention because after this, you are going to send a video on Seesaw to your teacher and retell the main events that happened in Turbo Turtle to the Rescue. Are you listening? All right, let's get started. It was late at night. Turbo Turtle settled into his cozy chair. He had a glass of milk and his favorite book. Finally, time to relax, he said. Just then, the turtle phone started to ring, ring, ring. Turbo Turtle jumped up. He put the turtle phone to his ear. "Hi, Chief," he said. "What's wrong?" "We need you," said the chief. "Duck Girl is causing problems." "I'm on my way," Turbo Turtle said. Turbo Turtle flew over the city. He used his turtle vision and saw the trouble. Duck Girl was trying to rob the bunny troop. "Give me all your ice cream," she demanded. "Not so fast," said Turbo Turtle as he swooped in. "I am here to stop you." The bunny troop cheered. "Not if I stop you first," said Duck Girl. She took out her zapping ray. Zap! Pink slime shot out, just missing Turbo Turtle. He jumped out of the way. "Bubble gum," he said. Zap, zap, zap. The bubble gum kept flying. Turbo Turtle narrowly escaped. Turbo Turtle grabbed some gum. He put it into his mouth and chewed. He blew a huge bubble right at Duck Girl. Splat! It popped, trapping her in her own gum. The chief took Duck Girl to jail. The bunny troop thanked Turbo Turtle. They even gave him some ice cream. Then Turbo Turtle flew home. He got back into his favorite chair and finally read his book. The end. All right, guys. Well, now we have just read the story Turbo Turtle, and your job is to go send a video to your teacher on Seesaw to tell the major events that happened. Can you tell the major events that happened? Good luck.